In this video, I want to show you how to back up and share your GIS data in ArcGIS. So to do that, let's assume I want to use a particular data. So click on this option called Add Data. For example, let me use this Reclassify Wind Energy Potential Map, and I will click on Add. Yes, I have this wind energy potential map, which you can see here. Very low suitability, moderate suitability, even up to very high suitability wind energy potential map. Now, assuming you want to back up and share this very GIS data, this is how to go about it. Come to File and click on Map Document Properties. Then here you need to give the title, give the summary, the description, author, credit tags, and hyperlinks. So let me quickly do that. Yes, for example, I fill all this area: the title, the summary, descriptions, author, tags, and hyperlink. These hyperlinks, if you have hyperlinks, copy and paste it there. If you don't have, just make sure you input something here. Don't leave it vacant. So after you have populated all these fields, click on OK. Now, to back up and share your GIS data, come to File again, and this time around come to Share As. Then click on Map Package. When it opens, come to this item description. It will automatically capture the information we initially entered. However, here, access and use constraints. Don't leave it vacant. Make sure you enter something here. So enter something here. Then for this very update missing metadata in the document based on item description, click on it and check it. Then come back to this additional file. Suppose you have additional file you want to include. Just click here and navigate to that file, select it to include it. Then let me come back to map package. Then we are ready to make sure you check include enterprise geodatabase data instead of referencing the data. Then we are ready to move forward. Then click on analyze. When you click on analyze, you can see what it returns: 0 errors, 0 warning, 0 message, which means we don't have error in the data. So we are ready to share now. So click on share. When you click on share, it will bring this notification: this map document has changed and needs to be saved before creating the map package. Would you like to save the document and create the map package now? Click on yes. So locate where you want to save your map, and here I want to save it here. Give it a name. So click on save. So it's preparing the data. Yes, you can see successfully created map package. So take note of this very part. You can copy it or just take note of it. Just take note of this part. So after that, click on OK. So the benefit of this is that it helps you to back up your file or your data, and also you'll be able to share it with your colleague or organization. So after you have done it now, let's check it out. So let me go to that part. click on your file explorer. Then I will navigate to my local disk, and here new people new, and it's here under analysis. So I will scroll down. It's under on title. Yes, you can see it here. Here is it. So to verify it, let's double click to open it. Yes, it's coming up. Yes, you can see it. This is it. So we've been able to successfully back up and package our GIS data. You can share it with your colleagues and friends without losing anything. And one thing to take note of is that if I go back there, you can see that the size is very small. So once you package it like that, the size is small and you can easily send it to anybody. And if you compare it with the original data or original GIS data, which is this, if you compare it with the package one, you can see that they are the same. So this is how to back up and package your GIS data in ArcGIS. Thank you for watching.